Y'all, we had entered Rolling Fork, Mississippi, close to my hometown. We probably like what? How many minutes from Anguilla? But y'all, the tornado have hit in Rolling Fork, Mississippi.
Yeah, I can see.
Do this. These people have lost everything. Y'all pray for Rolling Fork, Mississippi. As of right now, 21 dead. A lot of them, just hurt. Huh, Jay? We got to run some people over.
Yeah, it's bad out here, man. It's super bad. It's where I grew up at, man. I did 23 years from ground up at the high school. Look at that tree right there. Bad. Them people house right there gone.
Oh, we got a lot of thank you.
Them people house right there gone. Real bad. That house gone.
All these wires down.
Wires down, power line. Look at all these trees in the high school. The fire department gone. Fire department gone. High school still look okay.
Look at that building across the street.
That's the fire department.
Fire department.
Them people house they're gone on the end. It's bad over this way. They lost probably everything.
Hey, y'all need some water? Okay.
Yeah. Everything on this, it came through and wiped everything out. I'm trying to hold both of
Hey,
the phones.
hold on, man. I'm finna open the trunk, the hood, so see do people need water?
You gotta get them other bags out of there.
No, I'm saying I'm just gonna flip it open. Or
Yeah,
you
you
gonna
do it.
wait?
No, we can do that. I don't care.
Alright.
It's bad.
I was just starving and I'm a problem. This shit feel like yo.
Don't worry about it. Man, look at that, man.
You said everything on your mom and your grandmother's street fire.
We ain't made it over there yet, but all them houses are gone. Damn.
This ain't even no town no more.
Bro, this shit look bad, bro.
It don't even look
Bro, everything, bro. Everything gone, bro. Look at this. It's on this side. I'm just gonna show you this side. Get it. This shit bad, bro. Excuse my language on the content, but man, this is where I was raised, born and raised. I'm talking about it's out of there. Like,
man, that was a big pretty house right here. It just, oh my Lord.
it's bad. That mirror injection them house right there.
Yeah, it is.
It's gone. Like, everything wiped out. I don't even really want to record no more, to be honest.
No, you gotta record it.
Yep. Everything. It hit this whole,
Look at this.
it came straight down in the thing. Double quick going over there. Ain't no more double quick.
Man, the tornado ain't never hit like this.
We gotta get out and serve our people too, man, with their water and stuff. We're gonna hold this video as of right now. We're gonna move around a little bit, but we're gonna get back with y'all. Just
You
to show
should show
y'all
them double
a
quick,
lot of
bro.
stuff. Yeah,
Show
I
them
ain't
double
gonna
quick.
go yet. Yeah, everything over here's messed up, no power line, nothing.
Man.
Double quick is, I don't even know what to say about that. Bruh, this is bad.
Hey, y'all need water or anything?
Everybody out trying to figure out what's left. They still trying to find people. 23 dead so far. There's a lot still injured. A lot of them in the hospital. There's a church on the corner
Look.
or whatever. Like, it's bad.
Double quick.
Double quick is gone.
Man, you got all type of medical people out here from different places.
It's bad.
Church needs things, so you know what that means. They need the Lord. Some still got their car. They're good.
It's bad out here, man. I'm talking about, look at that tree. Y'all see it, man?
You know what I'm talking about? You can see straight back now.
It's bad, bro. Like everywhere. Man, double quick is out of there. What that woman, man?
I see him. Yeah, we can't help none but to see ain't nothing out here.
I'm finna stop right.
See, car turned over.
Man, this is double quick, man.
Car.
Ain't no more blue front. It's real bad. I'm talking about, this is devastating. Like, I ain't never seen nothing like it. It's real bad. You got cars on top of cars and
Hold on. Just hit that circle right there.
Yeah.
The circle on the bottom. Let me see, turn the phone. Oh, ain't there nothing.
yeah, upside down. Everything gone. Everything messed up, man. Nah, let them get over. Before we move. Hello?
Where you at?
Coming through town. Right up by the bridge, by Double Quick.
You finna come to the house?
Yeah, I gotta come get me a shirt or something. Find me a shirt or something.
What kind of shirt?
I need a regular t-shirt. I still got my fitted shirt on.
Like, through town.
Good, I was trying to let you see me. So you finna go.
We finna come that way.
Hey, see it on the
No, you good. Go. You straight. Man, they tore my town up, man. Everything gone. I say everything. How you can't zoom in on here?
No, I think change. He stopped. No, I'm trying to tell
Man,
you
I'm talking
something.
about
You can take
everything,
pictures. I'm
yeah.
trying to get a picture of.
Hey, we got all day, baby. It's just 11:30.
Oh.
It's still daytime. They don't get day
Well,
dark
one
till
thing
8.
about man, you can't tell them nothing when they can't live without one.
So like it. That's who had me. One of you had
The
me.
car wash.
Everything gone.
Ooh.
Slow down now. You got too much in the road. Pulled the whole tree out the ground. The courthouse messed up on top. It's still okay though. Everything gone, man. Everything, man.
The bank. Hey, they letting people they're clean. Yeah. So I'm probably finna come back that way if we can't get through here. Alright.
It's just, like half, like I said, most of these motherfuckers out there, people, they contract. Every mission.
I get on. Yeah, that's why you keep saying it like that. I feel, oh my lord.
You can start over.
What you do, Delta?
AG, whatever them. You gonna start over from the bottom. They just threw the brick down on that motherfucker. They ain't setting nothing on this side.
What did you say?
Threw the brick down. Look at that. Ain't nothing down with the brick. The building still standing.
I ain't know.
That bitch so old, it been there for years.
What you saying? Saying about over there on one side.
So everything still stacked all nice and neat.
I ain't know.
Who want for one?
I bet ain't nobody getting in trouble being on 4-wheelers today.
I'll be at this bit wide open. Yeah.
Man, you know me, see so many 4-wheelers. I don't see none out here. That mud there. Oh.
He just put about 1,000 miles on that water.
Yeah, there's some traffic out here. I wonder where it's like over that way. Hey, but you know something? We get to see chucks and stuff. Go inside it. He think he's boss. Go get us some give us some Wi-Fi, boy.
Go get some fucking energy from over there. Shit, that's the main building over there. Right there.
Where?
Yeah. They've been there for a while. You see my mama car.
What is it?
Wish you could zoom in on that.
You can.
I see it right there. I can't see no.
That mine in a manual. Look, that animal shelter. That come get the animals, bro.
I'll show you how I got the one on. He crazy, but he ain't nothing with it.
Hey, look, show contract. Show contract. Look, one right there.
Chain contract. These folks come all over the world, bro. Man, we lost everything, man. Pray for my family, pray for the city, pray for everybody who lost a loved one. Just pray for Rolling Folk, man. It's gonna take a while for everything to get back to normal. A lot of people lost a lot of people's lives. They probably still looking for people. They got dogs looking for people. They got everything, everybody out on the highway. They got a food truck on the track. Like, it tore up everything, man.
I think they said my auntie gonna probably be on by the baseball. Hey, look at sunrise.
Okay, we got sunrise to our right. It's sunrise pretty good. You gotta get this one.
No.
Black truck right on that corner, we can get right there behind it. Hold up. Cop behind you. I'm saying it's a cop behind you. Get close as you can. Yeah, you go right, you good. We'll do this to the traffic.
Me too.
Hell no. I ain't would have lost. Man, I don't even want to look. Man, look at this shit. Everything is good. Here you go. Let's get out of Walmart, though.
Why? I want to go see what Chuck look like. Who?
I don't want this to happen again.
No.
Well, they unloading already.
They call money.
I must sit in the same spot. The same spot I've been on Facebook for long. Hey, what they call Sunrise, right? Hey, what the store it was that used to be over here? Dang. That's crazy. Did it go? Huh? Did it ring? Where? Who? This wild. Huh? Tell me now.
Family dog.
Why they got ambulance over there, huh?
People sitting outside, they watching this shit.
Man, look at that truck.
You wanna walk with her?
I don't care. You gonna take off? You gonna take off?
Yeah.
Where he coming? Where he coming from? Jackson.
Okay, yeah.